Hi, I'm Taffy, and this is my friend Bruce. Bruce the Bonsai. Bruce is my friend. He's been in my company for just over a year now. It was a gift from my little sister last Christmas. And I feel like it's time to give Bruce a little bit of a haircut. This is the first time I've tried pruning my own bonsai, and I'm a bit terrified. What if I fuck him up? I don't know. I hope I don't, because he's a friend. Yeah, I'm gendering my tree for no other reason than, well, I told my sister he needed a name and she suggested Bruce, so Bruce it is. What I think I've got to do first is he needs a bit of a weed. Because, you know, bonsais, he lives outside, so I'm just going to yeet out gently all of these little seedlings. These are all lemon balm, because over winter he lived right beside a, excuse me, no.
Here's?
No. Over winter he lived beside a lemon balm plant, and it clearly flowered and dropped some seeds on here. And I don't think you need friends. Oh, they smell nice though, holy shit. Let's gently pull them out of there. How are you feeling? He's a little bit dry, I haven't watered him today, but I can do that once we've finished doing this. Who would call a kid Bruce anyway? Poor kid would have to, I haven't thought about that song in a while. Oh my god. That was an actual song. I think it got to like #1 in the New Zealand charts. That is, oh, it's by Rubicon. Okay. Oh my god. I'd forgotten it was fronted by that guy. It's just ain't cute with the name Bruce. This is a real song that was on the radio. Just not fair. Who would call a kid Bruce anyway? The poor kid would have to hang his head in shame. Oh my god, that's so funny. Ha! Ah! This singer was briefly on Shortland Street, which is our local soap opera. And what was his name? Marshall, I think. He was someone's little brother, wasn't he? And didn't he steal things and take drugs and impregnate someone? I don't know, it's been a really long time since I watched Shortland Street. I used to be really into it. In New Zealand, we kind of have a thing for really stupid songs, god. Like Deja Voodoo was a joke band, but people liked their stuff unironically. I like their stuff unironically. Today, Tomorrow, Timaroo. Come on, that is genius. The stupidest song ever. The Christchurch rap collective, Dark Tower, put out a song sometime in the very early 2000s called Baggy Trousers, right? In the April of 1999, 3 baggy panted rap musicians disappeared in the woods near Newcastleville.
To Eli's mum and Jamie's mum.
Baggy ears, the baggy ears, yeah! All the ladies over there! This got to #1 as well, man! I move to the left, they shimmy to the right. I move, they shimmy, I move, they shimmy. I like my pants baggy. Fuck! Stop! I've got to stop that, man. Oh, God! 1999 was a really special year in New Zealand music. Who remembers fucking Channel Z when it used to be something that was, like, good? Now, Bruce's initial weeding complete. Now I've got it... Right, there's a little bit of dead shit that I'm just gonna... I've got some tiny snippies. Are you even that dead? No, not really. In winter, Bruce lives beside my lime tree and lemon balm, obviously, facing northwest, but sort of protected from the east by, there's a glass, God, you can't even see me, hi, by a glass bit. And then in summer he lives on the other side of the driveway, facing that way, which is that way, southeast, right? In a very shady little area, which feels appropriate. He looks okay. There's tiny little pine cones on him. Oh, you sweet baby. I've got to be honest. Oh no, Spidey, I can't have you. Oh no, there's a Spidey on Bruce. Is it a white tail? No, it's got a little heart-shaped black thing on. Are you alright, dude? Can you just fuck off, please? I would love that if you would fuck off. Or else I will squish you, I swear to God. Spideys are friends, unless they're whitetails. But also, leave me alone. Right, now I have to think about stuff. I mean, you can see how much he's grown in the past year. Look at all this shit. Right, I'm gonna take off some of this low-hanging stuff, right? So like you. I do want to do a bonsai project like from the start. I've watched lots of videos and it doesn't appear to be that difficult if you have the right stuff. So I'm going to order some wire this week. It's got some quite cool little air root things that are hanging out. I don't know about this bit that's coming all the way back there. Is that too much of a cut though? Oh my god, I'm terrified. What if I ruin them? Alright, this side's freaking me out. I'm turning around. How much of this do I think is a good idea? Good question. And then also there's all of this. There's a lot of... Okay, just gonna keep snipping a little bit. I thought caring for your bonsai was supposed to be like fun and relaxing and like super zen. It's not, man. I am stressed. Oh, Bruce. Little Bruce. When I went to high school, right, it was a boarding school, and our boarding house was this ancient old house, and we had, you know, each of the dorm rooms had names, and in the very first dorm I was in, there was only 4 of us, right, 2 mates, and then this other chick that we didn't really like. We gave, oh my god, like fucking 13-year-old girls are the worst. We didn't like her, so we decided, me and the 2 mates, to give her the nickname Simon so that we could talk about her while she was there. Oh god! Oh no, Simon, I'm so sorry. God. But, so we lived in this dorm named Bruce for some reason. Right, I don't know why I was called Bruce, but they all had names and that was, you know, something. And because we were like, I was like, you know, 12 and 13, we were a little bit still sort of grossed out by periods a little bit. Not periods itself, but the actual word period. And it's still kind of, I'm like, ugh. When like Americans use the word period to mean like a full stop, I'm like, ugh, rather you didn't. So we were like, yeah, we're the Bruce girls. We'll call periods Brucies. And that stuck for most of high school for us. Like, oh, I've got my Brucie, or I'm getting my Brucie, which is that, actually that sounds just as gross as period, I guess. I don't know what I'm doing with this little branch, but I think I'm going to pull off some of this low growth. I think that's an excellent idea. What about that dude? That one's okay, I don't like that though. How do I feel about this side now? Like, this little bit of growth I'm not that into. Let's swivel you around and think about, oh, this side's ugly as shit, dude. Oh man, this is terrifying. How long do I keep that guy? I'm gonna be gentle because I don't want to fuck him up too much. Right, I'm taking that one off, and then you as well. Some of this low-hanging fruit. What about that whole branch? And then that one, that all looks like quite new growth. Oh man, this is terrifying. What if I fuck him up? Oh, what about that? That doesn't need to be there, I don't think. Does it? Maybe I like it. I don't know if I do like it. I mean, it'd probably be nice to see a bit more of the structure in here. The bend on that's really cute. So there's those guys. What about if I just take off some of this foliage? And then that one doesn't need to be there. Okay, right, let's look at him from this direction. I know bonsai says that there's like a front on, isn't there? And then a side that's like, I feel like pruning off the stuff that's hanging down is probably quite a good idea. I think that gives the illusion of ancientness, which is the point, isn't it? Tiny, ancient tree. Maybe I should get a piece of wire and encourage that bit to go even further down. Or maybe not. See, where did he... So it's grown this much in the past growing season. Okay, and then looking towards me like this. Oh, she's a mess. Yeah, all this low-hanging stuff, that can all fuck right off. I think that it feels like good practice. Oh, what's happening under there? I don't know. Oh yeah, that bit can get fucked. Oh, bonsai. So zen, so fun, and also relaxing. I don't know about this bit though. If I remove the whole lot, does it fuck her up? Okay, but it's not like, it's not all superhero. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure about that. Okay, if it was gone, am I angry? Kind of. That feels like a big cut to make. What if, right, let's just clear out a little bit more space, I feel like, in a big tree that may not exist. Oh, I swear to God, that's a spidey. Ugh, get out, get away. Okay, I feel like she's starting to get there. That's a deady bit. What else can I do? Yeah, I just think opening up the trunks that you can see the structure of the branches and shit. Because that's what all that, you know, put so much effort into wiring and making things beautiful. Don't know about that whole bit there, but I'm not going to fuck with that at the moment. Now this bit here is a bit shaggy. So if I just snip out some of the one at a time. Okay, I'm relatively convinced that I think this bit is the front, isn't it? This bit here is chunky and funky. It's large, but also in charge. This bit here is a little bit too upright for my liking. We're going windswept, my guy. So let's just clean out some of this and then we make a decision. I gotta be honest, I've been kind of obsessed with bonsai for a while. I'm a real weeb. Not a weeb, but like, you know, a Japanophile. And bonsai was just, love that shit. But this is the first one I've managed to keep alive for longer than, yeah. Sometimes my thumb is green, sometimes it is black. And murderous. I think she's kind of getting there. Ow, that is a needle right in the finger. Eesh. Fuck you, Bruce. I'm just trying to love you. Okay, now I've done that, I'm more okay with that, I think. I don't know, I feel like this foliage clearing is a good idea, but could also be wrong, because it's the first time I've ever pruned a bonsai myself. There's a lot of like really cool videos on YouTube if you want to figure it out. You just go to a nursery and get something, and you do need the special wire, I think. I don't know about that whole bit there. I think maybe that should come off. Fuck it, Taffy, be brave. Yeah, let's get rid of it. Done. This bit here is a little bit frisky. Man, I hope you're having a good time watching this. This is it fun? No, it's scary. It's very stressful. But you know, if it wasn't so stressful, it actually would be quite fun. It's probably one of those things where it's like, when do I stop? Like, most you're supposed to take off a tree at any one time is, you know, it's 30%. 30% of the foliage, 30% of the root. Trees will happily survive that. The fun thing about bonsai is all this lovely woody structure. I just loosen some of that off. And we get to see it, and then it's like, oh shit, that trunk's got such a fun little curvy weave. Curvy weave. Are you surprised that I haven't made one huge fuck up yet? I am. Hi honey. You come to join me, have you? Hi, sweet boy. Doggy. Hello, doggy. What are you up to? I feel like I was quite manic before, but now I've calmed down. I feel calm. Good. I guess that's the point, isn't it? Kiddo. Come here. Where's my buddy? Hi. Hello. What are you doing? Would you like some lemon balm? What do you think about that? Does it smell good? Snap it. Snap it. What a gentle boy. There you go. You can have that. Good boy. Oh God, Frankie's here. Hey Frank. What are you doing? Hi. Hi. Hey Frank, have you come to help? What do you think about Bruce? What are you doing? You're being very helpful. Still not completely sold on that branch, but I don't think I'm gonna make a decision either way today. I feel like I don't know. You know, I need to spend more time. Please don't eat that. Please don't eat Bruce. No, please, no. No. Oh my God. You are the worst bonsai culprit. No, gee, Frankie, no. Don't munch my bonsai. Fucking the absolute state. Ow, fuck. Bruce. Oh, right, I see why I was avoiding that bit. Ugh, that bit's got a spidey. Do all of those bits have to come off? Yeah, I think they do, don't they? Look at me being decisive. Damn, Bruce. I think you're looking fine, son. Oh, who's my handsome boy? He looks like an ancient tree. Oh, look, he's been sculpted by the wind. Not human hands and wire. Oh, his tiny little flowers. Oh my God, he's so sweet. I could literally sit here and pick off little bits by little bits just all day. I'm gonna have to stop at some stage, aren't I? Yeah, I think that's the idea, isn't it? You just want to expose the nice fat trunky bit and make it, I mean, that's the idea, isn't it? It's tree and pot, but also ancient looking mini tree. There's probably a lot of extra stuff I could do in terms of like making some decisions about these big branches. But you know, the longer that me and Bruce spend together, the more we'll get to know each other and I will figure out how I want him to look, I guess. It's tempting just to yeet the end off that, isn't it? I could just do a little bit off the end. Fuck it, let's go. This bit, yeah. Ah! No, that was a good idea. Good job. Cool, I think that's it. Right, look. Bruce. Oh, my handsome boy. I'm gonna go chuck him, you know, back outside. Give him a good water, I think. Well, I'll see you back here in another year's time for Bruce's next pruning, I guess. If I manage to keep him alive. I've kept him alive so far. So, you know, go me. Awesome. Well, you know, thanks for hanging out. I've been Taffy, you've watched me prune my bonsai. Good times. If you had fun, you know, like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one, some stage. I'm gonna do one from scratch. Could be fun, could also be terrifying. I'm not sure, I don't really know what I'm doing. But the only way to learn is by doing. Alright, love you. Peace out. Bam. Bye.